He's moving now.
Yeah, he's coming. He's gonna pop out of here in a sec.
I need help.
Yeah. What? Why didn't any of that hit him? Are you
Okay.
repairing?
Slowly.
He's under halfway, mate.
Okay, time to broadside this mother junker.
Our victory is in sight.
Uh-oh, you're in trouble now, Ma.
Sorry, my friend, but you're gonna go down. Oh, I cannot pick this because every time I fire it freezes. And then the ship jumps.
You better for my sake, I'm about to die. Broadside him again. My auto cannons are firing.
Good.
Oh, love that. Love a good auto cannon firing.
Oh,
Not
We're
much
gonna
excess.
crash.
good. Who, us or him?
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
You guys are crashing, nice. Kaboom!
Oh,
Oh!
what?
You both exploded!
Ripped off the front of his ship.
Oh.
I got an arsonist award.
You got what?
Oh, that was awesome.
What reward did you get?
Arsonist, but that was just because I set him on fire. But I ripped off the front of his ship though.
Yeah, I saw it. How much health did you have? I didn't expect you to go down.
I don't know, I'd have to look at the replay. I missed it.